So to verify your Eversend account, you have to provide all your details as stated. So I'm gonna do just that. uh, so I'm providing my address. So I really don't know how long it will take for them to verify, so I'm just gonna provide all the details as they requested. So let's verify your identity. Upload photo of document proving your identity. Record a video of yourself. So let me do that. Select country. So I'm gonna select my country. Then select your your card, maybe driver's license, national passport, digital NIN slip, NIN ID card. So I think I have NIN ID card. Then confirm selection. So do they have NIN code? No, NIN ID card. So I'm gonna select that. Do I have this on my gallery? So let me quickly check my ID card. All right, so I found my ID, so I'm gonna verify that. Okay. All right, so I just upload the front ID, so I'm gonna upload the back as well. Okay, so record, also record a video selfie. So let me quickly do that. Start recording the video selfie. Make 2 circles with your head. When done, press the button, then confirm upload. So let me do that. Okay, so I don't know what's wrong, but the verification was failed. So I'm gonna click on retry and let's see. The video actually looks okay to me. So